Hi guys, this is Charlie over at Brown's Pre-Owned Center. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chevy Silverado LTZ Package 1500. It's equipped with HID headlights as well as LED daytime running lights. We also have a wheel and tire upgrade. This one has Ultra Motorsport 20-inch wheels on it with Goodyear Eagle tires. This 2018 model has 20,002 miles on it. Nice low mileage on the vehicle. It is nav capable. You have OnStar nav through Chevy, which you do have to activate, but it is capable, so it does have that. It does come with Bluetooth, as well as full leather interior throughout the vehicle, heated seats, heated front seats, and you have the crew cab size back door as well for the extra room in the back. A couple other nice features on this particular truck. You do have the bed access step right here, so the camera right here. If you look inside the bed of the vehicle, you have a fully covered bed, so you have the drop-in bed liner, all plastic, so you're not going to ruin the interior of the bed. Also, you have the tow hitch, all pre-wired. We're all ready to go.